Hello, thanks for watching Elise Makes a Bunch of Videos. I decided to make this one in a weird sort of non-color. Anyways, this is a renovation update if you've been following those videos. Just got back to my mom's place in Sydney on Vancouver Island, and yeah, the main thing that has happened since the last video is that like stuff has been added and ordered that isn't here, and stuff has been moved around. Um, so nothing huge. All the drawers are off still, but they've all been painted, but they're not back, so it looks the same. This whole table chair situation has been added. So that's the first like real furniture. I don't know, there's like iron board and stuff out, and let's see, I don't know if this was there, but that table with the wood and stuff, and then all that stuff, I think was more or less there anyways. What else? Yeah, so this is all the kitchen stuff all done. These are gonna go in soon, hopefully, and the kitchen sink is not working right now, so all the dishes will have to be done in the bathroom. So that's fun. Nothing really happened in here. So bathroom. Oh, this got painted. This little mirror situation here. Whole my weird genie pants. And then, what else? Oh, this closet stuff is here now. And that, there was like a small shelf, but now that shelf is not, it's a big shelf instead of two shelves of that size. Oh, and then this is, I guess, getting moved over, so anyways, so that's happening. But nothing much else in this room. I think maybe at some point this painting is going here, and then maybe this will go in that corner. I don't know. All the art things are getting scattered around, and then they'll eventually go up. And what else? There's a couch that's been ordered. The countertop in the kitchen needs to be done. So that's gonna go out, and then there's gonna be a new kitchen sink, and washer and dryer need to go in, and then the taps in this hallway. Those are gonna get replaced, I guess, because they're old and leaky, and then possibly these taps on top of the water heater also, I don't know, but really, oh, and then that dryer thing is sort of half on now. But yeah, pretty much the whole update. There's just like more stuff here, but then less stuff also, because some got removed, and then my mom's moving in at the end of September, so by October hopefully most of the stuff is done. Renovation deadlines. Okay, well, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and comment, share, peace and love.